Kingfish Maine is the expansion of what we have established in Zealand. It's bringing a facility online that is the next scale up, but also opens us up to a new, unique market here in the United States and the opportunity to offer fresh local product here in the US, a much closer commute than, say, bringing all the way from the Netherlands. Knowing our experience in the Netherlands and our goals in sustainability, we look for a community where we can set up and be good stewards and good neighbors in that community. As we look particularly at developing the facility here in Maine, we're looking for all the ways that we can continue to move forward in more sustainable methods. It starts from day one, from the design of the systems, how we incorporate different components, the fish themselves, the rearing protocols, to what we feed them, to ultimately how we harvest them. We're trying to advance the company and the overall culture of how we deal with seafood.
We clean the water on the way in to make sure our fish have optimal conditions, but we also clean the water on the way out to minimize our impact on the environment. Because we maintain optimal conditions inside the system, we're able to grow our fish without antibiotics or vaccines or any hormones or medications.
The water we extract from the Oosterschelde, we filter and we clean, make sure there's no parasites whatsoever, reuse it on the farm, and then send it back after we've cleaned it again.
Everything is integrated. Of course, the backbone of the whole company, the RAS systems and the way of production, is the most innovative part.
It's all about sustainability at Kingfish Zeeland. We want to comply with all sustainability standards like an ASC or a BAP.
We've gone the extra mile with some sustainability choices, such as running our operation on 100% renewable energy. And these are choices we feel that both fit the character of the company, but also are the right values for our times.
The Center for Cooperative Aquaculture Research is owned by the University of Maine. It's been part of the university, I think, for almost 20 years now, and was put together as a business incubator space, a space to support new aquaculture businesses developing. Luckily for us, the university has had the foresight to look at the aquaculture sector to observe what species are up and coming or growing. So it was kind of a match made in heaven, so to speak.
Because they already have some systems set up and lots of space to build newer systems, it gives us a much bigger advantage into gearing up for large-scale production that we're going to need in the not-too-distant future.
Maine overall is a fantastic place to be, and I think everyone from the Kingfish team will tell you time and time again that in their first visits here, we felt very much at home. We were looking for a community where we could be accepted and be good neighbors and good stewards of our industry. And so far, we've found a quite nice home here in Jonesport.